Okay, I have 14 pounds of venison, and I want to can it. So I did 7 pounds into cubes, which is good for stews, soups, stroganoffs. And then I did it into strips, which are good after they're canned. You can just dump it into a pan, heat it up. It's already pre-cooked, so it's fast. So I'm going to cook this in my pressure cooker for half an hour. And then this one is going to get cooked for half an hour. So to begin with, I put it in my pressure cooker. I have to add a little water, not much. You don't want it covering it, just like that. Just enough on the top, but not to where it's over. Then I'm going to cook this for half an hour. People should know how to use their pressure cooker if they got one. Mine, you just put it on. Whoops, I got to plug it in. Oh, it's going to start. I put it on cook, and why didn't it go? Pounds of cubed deer is in there. I put it on cook. I want to cook it for half an hour. When it gets up to pressure, it'll get up to 5 pounds of pressure. When it gets up to pressure, it'll start cooking. We're going to let it cook for half an hour. Then I'm going to cook the strips. Then I'll be back to show you how to can it. Okay, now I'm ready to do the canning. I got the meat all cooked. This is the cubed. I got the cubed and I packed it in a jar. This is the strips. I got them all packed in a jar. Now I'm adding beef broth, which when you're ready to use it, it'll taste more like beef. And I'm not going to add salt to it because there is enough sodium in this broth. So you fill this up to like 1/4 of an inch to the top. Then you have to take a knife to let the air out. And you can see bubbles forming in there. Let the air out. You wipe the top off. Then you put the jar on it, the lid on the jar. Then you put it in the canner. Now I'm going to do this till all the jars are full. There should be 7 jars. And then we water bath that for 35 minutes. And when it's all done, we'll come back and show you what it looks like after when the jars are all done. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Okay, I got the 6 quarts of venison all done. This is what it looks like. We already heard one pop, so they're sealing. And I hope you guys that get deer do the canned deer meat and enjoy it. Talk to you later.